Bora, look at what we have here. I think we have a big task today.
Yes, Mom, giant construction vehicles.
What are we going to do with these construction machines, Amir Bora?
We will build a huge tower here.
A giant tower? Whoa! Then this sand is necessary for it. Oh, great. So which vehicle do we start with first? What does this yellow scoop do?
We must dig the soil with it.
Amir Bora, look how big the bucket of the loader is. It's gobbling up the sand.
This excavator is very powerful.
Is that so? Show us your strength. Wow, what did it do? It crushed all the soil, Amir Bora. First, it was gobbling up the soil. Now, what is it doing?
Dump it here! The sand truck came so fast, now the loader will gobble up the sand and fill the sand truck.
The truck's bed is almost full, Mommy.
Is the truck driver ready, Amir Bora?
Why is the concrete mixer constantly turning like this, Amir Bora? What's inside it, Amir Bora?
Cross! Is there a fee?
If it turns, it will freeze. Then we can't make it sand.
Wow, you know so much. Look, there's also a crane here. What will it lift?
It will lift heavy stones. Mom, look, watch.
Amir Bora lift that huge stone. This crane must be very strong. I think it's a very strong crane too. Oh no! The truck seems to be stuck in the sand, Amir Bora. The wheels aren't turning.
Don't worry, Mom. I'm calling the rescue team.
We're pulling the truck out.
That's it.
You're amazing, Amir Bora. We solved everything with teamwork. We got very tired at the construction site today, but we finished our tower, didn't we, Amir Bora?
Pass by and get the sand. Let's fill the truck. Like this.
Children, which construction machine did you like the most? See you in the next adventure. Goodbye.
Goodbye!